Hey guys, I'm Carol and today we're going to be playing Assassin and I'm going to be joined with my friend Alex. And yeah, sorry if you hear background noises, it's either like my brother because he's listening to a song on his tablet, or dogs yelling and dogs barking because I have a dog and he's very annoying and yeah, no one likes him. Anyway, yeah, so let's get right into it. Let's
what
go.
a great way to start the game. You can also hear Carol, and yeah, his YouTube channel is in my linking thing below.
Good at that. Oh God, Jesus Christ, Ollie! What's the matter with you?
So yeah, sorry if you hear those type of noises.
God damn it!
What the
She-Hulk!
heck?
Ollie! What have you? Here's the song.
Is he detecting a ghost? He always barks over here.
Each.
No dogs can detect a ghost.
Yeah, they can.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. I want to see.
Okay, guys, you can automatically tell this is a scam.
Oh, there's egg clay, but I have a unicorn, which is better. Oh, this guy's proton.
Why does he bark over there?
Something's over there.
Does he use reflection like last time?
That would be very
43. How much coins do I have?
560.
Oh, 146.
It glided. Wait, what is this? Did have glide? Yeah, trade my frost dragon.
Wait.
Why does no one want a frost dragon? Guys, I'm gonna work a frost dragon and you have to trade something like.
You have to trade him a dark horse to get it. No.
Like if I decided to put him.
Oh, someone texted me on Roblox.
Thank you.
Probably.
So I'm pretty sure he barks because he
sure?
doesn't know. So he has this like giant teddy, and he gets so mad at it trying to rip it.
Oh yeah, he goes insane with teddies. Like if you put a teddy in front of him,
Guys, yeah,
you should be worried. He'd destroy the thing. I'm like,
I go check out my amazing Alex XD and to see that
He's gone crazy.
Yeah. Guys, maybe in our next video we will show you how to like go off the map and stuff.
oh yeah, because like a little secret. I might show you in this video. Yeah, after this round, if I die, I'm gonna do them. If I have time. Oh, my toolkit is right there.
Go watch Carol's video so you can see.
Oh,
I'll just show you.
it wasn't. Oh!
Egg Claymore!
Oh,
Guys,
God.
I was so lucky. Carol got an exotic from a case, then I got an exotic from a case.
I also have the spring sword.
Oh, whoa! That made Carol 1v1.
Oh. Yeah, who's your target?
Guys, and you.
Right.
Guys, and if you're wondering what I play with, I'm pretty sure me and Carol are gonna be doing a Q&A, like how to know each other better in the next video, maybe.
Oh god, no, no.
And you will see what I play with on Roblox. Carol, do you want to do a Q&A?
Yeah, like.
Get to know us better.
Mhm.
We're not like personal, like where we live, because we don't want to do that.
No one wants
We live in like a country that no one really knows.
So that's good.
It's not that popular.
Is that why we're not popular?
No one likes us. Alright, so this is how you get out the
Guys,
map.
not like so you have
God.
to jump up here.
No
Then you
one
jump.
goes
God.
Oh, and those like
And then you have to jump on this roof. I don't think I have time. I need to go quick.
You jump on this tree.
You
You
jump
jump
onto
on
this.
this roof. God no.
You jump onto this building, and then you can just jump on top. You can
Then
just
put
jump, and then
yourself-
boom,
Put yourself on that mode then.
you're on the top of.
What about that mode?
You're on
Yeah,
the.
I don't want to do everything.
And then you're.
My
on-
iPad is about to fall, and I don't care.
Where's your iPad?
On those neat
It's
legs.
about to fall.
Oh god. Get a
Keep
break.
balancing.
Oh god, oh god, oh
It's
god, oh
I need
god.
to win on this as well. Guys, comment down below if you think I'm bad. Carol, do you
He
think
sees
I'm bad?
bugs.
On knives, I'm good, but
Better than me.
come on, Egg Claymore. Go. The same guy 3 times in a row.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Strange addiction. Strange fact for all you scared of guns.
Even if it's a fake gun.
Yeah, it goes back.
I mean, I'm scared of real guns.
Oh wait, Game Pro. What does he have?
What is Game Pro?
Whoa! Wait, he has.
Oh wow! Oh
Oh
wow!
my God, this is sleepy.
I really need like another exotic because all I have is a unicorn. Like for me to give a unicorn, I need something very good. It's a unicorn.
Fairy X. No, I already have a Fairy X. Guys, this is my inventory. And yes, I don't have most of my stuff because I traded them in to make ice mold. Then I traded ice
Oh,
mold.
remember the time where someone gave me 4 legendaries. I gave the someone gave me 4 legendaries. I gave them a glided, and I crafted an exotic, and I got another glided.
Yeah. So guys, this it's like a fact, but like it's true. When I was like the count, we used to like love playing Assassin. Wait, what am I doing?
Oh yeah.
We like love playing Assassins, and I covered myself for. But then this dude, like, I don't know how, I thought he was gonna give me something good. Then I accidentally did like accept, and then do you know how I accidentally gave him a free unicorn, and I was so mad. That's true.
Yeah, that's true. I haven't sorted with my own 2 eyes. I was like the stupidest.
Oh my god!
You know, sometimes he like humps the the teddies.
Does he?
Yeah.
He rapes it.
Ollie,
No, he
excuse me, as young viewers watching. You didn't hear anything, guys.
You did not hear anything. I said it.
Hey, if you give me all your legendaries, I'll give you one of the rarest knives in the game.
What?
As a B-Day present. But it's not my B-Day. My B-Day is in 4 months.
Okay, so I'll give you this. What do you give me? One. What are some of the rarest knives in the game?
So one of the rarest in the game.
Rarest knives in the game. Wait, I want to trade game.
I would trade my first dragon
I'm joining
legendaries, and then I
your
get first
game.
dragon. If I get glide, I'll be happy.
Oh, unicorn.
Unicorn.
Oh, wait, hold on. What about spring sun?
Wednesday, my arms are reaching for me.
Damn you.
Spring ice lord. Oh, frost dragon and ice lord and earthen blade. Yeah, take them. Earthen blade. For spring sun. No, come on, man.
What do you do? Oh, shh. You didn't hear anything. I never said it. Ollie. Don't get mad at it.
Shut the hell up.
Ollie, shut up.
Wednesday, my arms are left broken.
Oh, I got 100 tokens.
Guys, come with
Coming to us.
Damon's in the game.
God damn it.
I'll take that.
What does noob have?
Oh, thank you. Do you want them back, Damien?
No.
Oh, thank you.
What'd you
Shout out, Damien.
What did you
This
get?
game is pretty nice. I have 3 green, 2 orange. I'm gonna
Wait, what did he give you for free?
hazard, orange, and green. 1, 3.
I've still got the last knife that Carol gave me once.
Well, this guy's egg cling. Oh, wait, I want to see if this guy gives me his fairy axe if I give him my spring sun.
You're trying to murder me. You're trying to kill me. He's trying to kill me.
Go take it.
Oh my goodness!
No.
Oh wait, no! What did I do? Wait, no.
What did you do wrong?
I
Ollie,
died.
Shut up. Oh my god. Oh, spring sun.
I thought you were about to say the shit word.
Oh, Damien, what happened to Damon's body? Carol, look, quick.
Is it like pink?
No, it. Ollie, you don't need to get mad. It's just a toy!
Where are you?
Why did the dude bother wasting his me on 6,000 for this? I thought we were gonna do 1v1.
I don't care about 1v1. Jeez.
You could have told me.
I love this. I will swap my skin. I know it looks dumb.
My skin looks
This is
very
gospel for the fallen ones. Kill.
Your skin's yellow.
good. Guys, just please tell me, why did this dude bother wasting his 6,000 coins on this double knife thing?
Or dual wield or whatever it's
well,
called.
you could have bought 3,000 pieces and got legendaries. Did you take that?
Yeah,
Ollie! What the heck?
I would accept it.
That's stupid.
I knew it. I was like, really? I thought you don't want it. Why don't you just take a spring sun? Son, it's an exotic pet. You don't want it. I don't get how it's dead yet. Like, I know. So why is this sun stalking me? Also, isn't the sun supposed to be way bigger than this?
Also, guys, this is
Jill. Someone in jail.
for me to go on top of the things. And then you just jump over here, and then bam, you're on top. And to get down, just need to
You
jump
can't.
right, and then boom, you are down.
How to down? Well, you can't. Sorry.
I'm gonna save for another exotic case.
Oh yeah, last time you got a legendary. I remember the time I got a legendary out of an exotic case. I was so mad. I spent so much hard work on
Fun chat.
No, you did, Alex! Alex! No, you did not!
What did he say?
No, he sold his frustration. You could have given that frustration.
And I could, and like, if I get a legendary, I would.
You should get a legendary for selling your goddamn Frost Dragon. I hope you get a legendary, Alex. I honestly hope you get a legendary.
What are my legendaries? Jeez, at least I have four. Guys, I think this is a red knife. Comment down below this like none of you will comment, but I don't care.
I got a new knife in this guy.
Oh my god, 1 subscribe, thank you so much. Is that gonna be views?
1 subscriber, thank you guys.
Is that gonna get me a lot of people to comment?
I can't believe you disassembled your Frost Dragon, Alex.
The title of this video will be 18 subscribers, thank you so much. It's gonna be viral.
Look what I said in chat.
Oh, wow, good job.
And the
Ooh. Straight away because I'm down.
Alex, what are you doing?
What?
You're gonna kill me, aren't you?
Yeah, yes.
Where's Alex?
Oh, yo.
This is Gus Boy for the fallen one.
Unicorn versus unicorn.
And unicorn wins. Well, which unicorn is it, huh?
Guys, so I got this lollipop. And then
It tastes like medicine.
yeah, and I got drugged.
Yeah, he got drugged.
Oh God.
He was like
Ollie!
Shut up. Shut up.
This is my boy for fallen one. Coins.
Ollie?
Why do I only get 8 coins and you get 12 coins, Alex?
Because I'm rich.
You got close.
Okay, you do your stuff. I'll be back.
So Carol will be back, guys.
I'm still recording.
Oh. Reaching for love, reaching for love.
We don't change for love. We don't change for love.
Whoa, what is this? Oh my god, no, why did I salvage my first dragon? But I mean, like, if I get a legendary, I'd probably unbox that in my next video. Oh.
Oi!
Hmm?
I'm done, Carol.
I know.
Okay, flip for the next round. What is it like to be a VIP?
Cool.
Sucks.
Water is my life.
Oh, hashtag.
Oh my god, that's kind
Jesus Christ!
Holy
What
smokes,
are
open
you?
up that window!
Is there something with the window? Like, is it haunted? What's wrong with the window? I'm not Alex.
There's a bug. There's a bug, that's why.
There's a bug.
Uh-huh.
In my bug. There is.
It's gonna blow up in my face.
I'm not coming in.
It's every day, bro. The same bully flow. Bully your mom, now you're bullying your bro. This your own brother. I don't really get it though. Stuff rocket to pull. I don't really know.
Oh. Guys, so guys, I'm gonna be ending this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. Peace.
Bye.